Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I went to Walgreens. Now, I do not do any Walgreens video because it's just a headache. So I went to Walgreens and everything you see here was completely free. I am so excited. Oh my God. Thank you, Danielle, for these coupons. And I don't care who judge me. I'll be going back and I will be cleaning out the shelves because I still have a lot more coupons. I do not get any Dove coupons, and these deals are amazing, especially if you have a booster. So I'm gonna break each deal down for you and I will show you exactly what I did. Everything here was completely free and a huge moneymaker. Like, I couldn't even calculate how much it is, and I'm not going to. I'll just break it down on each one of my accounts and I'll show you what I got. Okay guys, so the first thing I picked up was 2 of the Colgate Total, and it's $2.99. Buy 3 products, get a $5 register reward. Now there's a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that everyone got this week. So these were the first 2 I picked up. Then I picked up 1 of the Colgate Max Fresh because there's a $1 coupon that we all got again this week that's attaching to this one. Now it's also $2.99 and it's buy 3, get a $5 register. Now for all 3 products, it came to $8.97. The 3 off of 2 came off and the $1 off of 1 came off. I paid $4.97 and I got $5 back, making them completely free. So free toothpaste as always. Okay, so the next deal I did was the Dove, and as you can see here, the shelves are empty. I ended up finding some of the men's bar soap. So these are the women's, and the bar soap cost more than the body wash. The body wash was completely dry. So I picked up the men's at $8.79, 50% off. It's $4.39. Then I got the women's at $7.99. And the other one was $3.99 because it's buy 1, get 1 50% off, and you buy 3, you get $5 in Walgreens cash. So for those 4 products, it came to $25.16. I used 2 of the buy 1, get 1 free coupons, and I had a $7 digital that came off as well. So I paid $2.18 and I got $5 back for buying 3 of the Dove, and I had a booster. I got $5 back as well, $10, making it completely free, and a $7.82 moneymaker. So if you have those coupons, definitely do this deal. Okay, so on my first card, I picked up 2 of the men's and 2 of the women's. And I used their buy 1, get 1 50% off. And when you buy 3, you get $5 in Walgreens cash. Now, I used 2 of these buy 1, get 1 free coupons. And I had a $7 digital, which came off as well. I also added 3 of the Colgate. It's $2.99. And you get $5 back. So let me show you my receipt for these really quickly. So buy 1, get 1 50% off. And the men's are more expensive than the women. Just pointing that out. And I picked up 3 of the Colgate. Now, I used 2 of the $7.99 coupons to buy 1, get 1 free. It took off $7.99. My $7 digital came off. I had a 3 off of 2 for the Colgate and a $1 off of 1. It came down to $7.15. And look what I got back. I got back $10.34. I also got back a $5 register reward for the Colgate. So let me show you that as well. I have them to the side. So I also got back a $5 register reward. So I got back $15 after spending $7.15, which made that a $7 and change moneymaker. So I did that deal 3 times on my card, my husband's card, and I used my sister's number. So I did that 3 times, making that all free and a huge moneymaker. That's like $22 and change. Then I did 8 products. So I picked up 4 of the women's and 4 of the men's, along with the Colgate again. And let me show you that receipt. So this is it right here. And I did this deal 2 times. I can't find, I'm going to be missing some men's body wash, by the way. I can't find that bag. It's in the car and I'm not going outside. So I picked up 4 of the men's, 4 of the women's. Now, when I purchased my Colgate, I did 2 Colgates separately, and I got a $9 off when you spend $40. So I used that. I rolled the Colgate Register Reward here, and I used 4 of the buy one get one free coupon. It came down to $11.60, and look what I got back. I got back $19.41, making all 8 products completely free and a moneymaker. Why is my thing blurry? Yes, making it all free and a huge moneymaker. Now, I did that twice, and on one of my accounts, I had make 2 purchases of $10 and get $7 back. So I did the Colgate. I did 2 of the Dove, 2 men's on one, and I got back that $5 when I spend $20. Then I did the 3 Colgate and 1 Snuggle, and then I did the huge transaction with the 8 products, which gave me an extra $7. This is like a 44, I think I calculated $44.39 moneymaker, like huge. And I'm going back to the store because I got some more of those. I got 1 more of these. 1 did not print, and the manager printed me $5 in points. So I can show you that right here. So 1 did not print for the red Colgate because there was no signs. Come on now, focus. There was no signs at my store, so I didn't know. Okay. Well, there we go. 5,000 in points because 1 did not print. And I picked up some boosters from on the floor. I'll be going back to the store this week. I am not playing. So the Snuggle deal, it's dang it, I think the Snuggle is $3.99, and there's a $1.50 coupon. There's nothing back for that. I just used that to get to the $10 mark because one of the boosters were spend 10 2 times, and then you would get a $7 Walgreens cash. So yeah, guys, this is everything I picked up at Walgreens. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.